Good afternoon, sixth graders. So this problem, the second problem on the homework, is something that we haven't talked about in 2 days. So I'm going to make the video on this problem so that you can have a little refresher on dividing fractions with remainders. This problem says you have 2 1/4 cups of sugar. You're making cookies and each batch takes 1/2 of a cup of sugar. How many batches can you make? The first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to color in however many cups of sugar that I have. So this here says I have 2 1/4. I gave you 3 circles right here. So I'm going to color in one circle all the way. I'm also going to color in the next circle all the way. The last one, I just color it in 1/4 of the way. So this is a picture of 2 1/4. The question says, we're making cookies and each batch takes a 1/2 cup of sugar. So if I look at this first cup right here, this first circle, I know I can have 2 halves in this. 1 and 2. The same thing goes for the second one. I'll have 2 more halves here, so I'll call those 3 and 4. In this last circle, there's not enough to make an entire batch of cookies. There's not enough sugar left because it takes a 1/2 of a cup of sugar. It says up here it takes a 1/2 of a cup. And what we have here is a 1/4 of a cup. So now we need to think about what our unit is. And I actually gave you the unit next to your division sentence. The unit is batches. So if one batch is a 1/2 of a cup of sugar, a 1/4 of a cup of sugar is going to be 1/2 of a batch. You can also see that here because if I color this in with yellow, this is 1/2. What I colored in with yellow is 1/2. The blue takes up 1/2 of that 1/2. So we have 4 full batches of cookies in these first 2 circles. So 4 is going to be my whole number. And then we have 1/2 of a batch left over. I don't want to see 4 and 1/4 because there's 1/4 of a circle left. That's not 1/4 of a batch, and our unit is batches. So now we're just going to fill in the rest of this division sentence. What goes in the first blank is what we are splitting up. That's going to be 2 and 1/4. We split up 2 and 1/4 into groups. Each of the groups are 1/2. This division sentence says that 2 and 1/4 split into groups of 1/2 makes 4 1/2 groups, or 4 1/2 batches of cookies. All right, good luck on the rest of the homework.